Hello children, today we are going to solve finger abacus of one digit addition and subtraction. Okay, uh, in the previous video I have taught you about finger abacus from 1 to 9. So if you didn't watch it, please go and check it. Okay, now let's solve this. Now with the help of your right hand, in the right hand you will have all the ones place digits, in your left hand you will have all the tens place digits. Okay, now we are doing one digit problems. Okay, so now open your two fingers. Okay, this is 2. Okay, 2. For this 2 you have to add 5. Okay, for adding this 5 you have to open your thumb finger. Okay, this thumb finger will represent 5. This thumb finger will represent 5, and these fingers will represent 1. Okay, this thumb finger is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Total I am having 7 fingers. So our answer is 7. Okay, now 6. Open your thumb finger, which is 5, and open one finger. Now together it is 6. Okay, now minus 1. Minus 1 means you have to remove one finger. Okay, now it is minus 1. Now how many we are left with? Only 5. Now 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from these 8 you have to minus 2. So close your two fingers. Minus 2. Okay, now what is the answer? 5 and 1 will give you 6. Now 9. Okay, this is your 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 9. From this 9 you have to minus 6. Okay, so this is 5 and this is 6. Now how many are left? Only 3. So it is 3. Okay, now again 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, from this 9 you have to minus 8. Okay, it means you have to remove 8 fingers. So okay, it is thumb finger, it is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we have removed 8 fingers. Again you have to add 5. Okay, if you add 5 you have to open your thumb finger. Okay, you have to open your thumb finger, which is 5, and one finger is 6. So total 6. Okay, now 2 and you have to add 7 more. Okay, for 7 what you need to do? Open your thumb finger, which is 5, and this is 6, and this is 7. Now total together it is 9. From this 9 you have to minus 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. Now how many are left? Only 2.